welcome to another episode of Rebeltech series. Today, I want to share with you my recent trip to Indonesia, where I did a rare Macbook Pro 17-inch early 2008 prototype review at the beautiful Mount Dempo in South Sumatera. As you know, I always try to make my content unique by doing reviews outdoors instead of in the comfort of an office, home or studio. So I was looking for ideas and locations to shoot, and Pagar Alam, Mount Dempo was the perfect choice. To get there, I travelled from Singapore to Jakarta and then drove a day and a half to South Sumatra by ferry from Banten to Bakaueni. The journey was quite challenging, especially since it was constantly raining almost every day, but I persevered and was able to capture some breathtaking shots of the mountain and the surrounding landscape. The 4-part episodes of my adventure are now available on my YouTube channel. I highly recommend that you check it out and see for yourself how beautiful Indonesia is. Through my videos, I also want to share my experience and knowledge with people from all over the world who are interested in learning. Shooting tech videos outdoors is definitely challenging, but I believe it's worth it to let people experience my journey. And although my content may not be perfect, I'm always striving to improve and provide the best possible experience for my viewers. So there I was on top of Mount Dempo with my trusty Macbook Pro prototype in hand, ready to film my review. It was a challenging shoot with the constant rain and the windy conditions, but I was determined to make it work, and boy, was it worth it. I understand many of you, 90% of you, probably think I'm an idiot for doing something stupid like this, but the view from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. I couldn't help but marvel at the beauty of Indonesia and its natural wonders. As I filmed my review, I couldn't help but reflect on my journey as a content creator. It hasn't always been easy, and there have been times when I doubted myself and my abilities, but it's moments like this when I'm out in nature, experiencing new things and sharing my knowledge with others that make it all worth it. And that's the power of content creation. It allows us to connect with people from all over the world, to share our experiences and our knowledge, and to inspire others to do the same. It is a truly powerful tool, and one that I'm grateful to have at my disposal. So, if you're ever in Indonesia, I highly recommend taking a trip to Mount Dempo. It is truly a magical place, and one that will leave you in awe of the beauty of nature. Whatever I do may be challenging, but I believe the rewards are truly priceless. Thank you for listening to the Rebeltech series podcast, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on your favorite platforms to support me further.